When I was taught the bowline, I was taught a little story that went along with it about a rabbit. Anyway, the setting of our story is in his hole. The only trick to this is that you gotta make sure to get it set up right. You have this loop, goes around and out, and it's on top, just like before. Anyway, so the rabbit comes out of his hole, runs around the hole to get a carrot. There's some variations to the story at that part. And then you just pull it through. And there's your bowline. Anyway, the bowline can be kind of dangerous because it does pull through kind of easily. Like, if you have this thing, this little tag, which is actually how you untie the bowline easily, you just kind of pull it through and around. But sometimes if that flips over when it's important that the knot come untied, that can be a problem.